This is a thermochemical equation. We have a balanced chemical equation, and we've also included amount associated with the heat. We note that heat is a product, therefore this is an exothermic reaction, and as suggested in the question statement, heat is going to be released. We're not necessarily interested in the sign, we're interested in the amount of the heat that's released. We are combusting acetone, which is this compound here, and we note that when we combust 2 moles of acetone, we release this number of kcals of heat. However, in this problem, we're dealing with a different number of moles of acetone. So we're going to be using this thermochemical equation as a conversion factor. We can start with the measured number we're given plus its unit, and that would be 0.40 moles of acetone. Now we're going to use our thermochemical equation as a conversion factor. It tells us that 2 moles of acetone, completely combusted, is going to release 854 kcals. Now we need to convert kcals to calories because we want our answer expressed in calories. We remind ourselves that a kcal is equivalent to 1,000 calories. Okay, before we do our calculation, let's check out our canceling. And we see a mole of acetone is going to cancel out here. Kcals cancel, and the unit that survives is calories, which is what we want. We do our calculation, and our calculator answer is 170800 calories. To correctly express our answer with the right number of sig figs, we need to use scientific notation. So we'll convert that number first to scientific notation, and then we'll worry about rounding. Our exponent is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's determine our sig figs. So it looks like we're going to be limited to 2 sig figs because of this number. Remember, this is going to be exact. Exactly 2 moles are going to be expressed in this balanced chemical equation. This has 3 sig figs, and this of course is also an exact number, so it has infinite precision. We're going to limit our answer to 2 sig figs, so our final answer is equal to 1.7 times 10 to the 5th calories.